Welcome to the Course Kit training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to add lessons and sections to your course in the Course Kit. Go to Course Manager. Now choose the course. You can add lessons and sections to your course. For add a section, choose Add Section. Give the title of your section. Click on Submit and your course section will be created. To add the lessons to your course, click on Add Lesson and select Lesson Type. Click on Next and fill in all the required details like title, section, video URL, duration, and summary. You can view your lessons in your course. Thanks for watching the video.